Okay, let me help you a little bit with today's quiz. If you follow the steps from the warm-up, it should be no big deal. Use the whiteboard on your desk and rewrite each problem. If you ignore this and you get them wrong, just know I'm mad at you. Use the whiteboard on your desk. Rewrite each problem. What I mean is, we ignore this up here. We ignore all of that. The only thing we care about up here is the arrow and the equal. Everything else means nothing to us. If I was to rewrite this, I would write X because I have a blank, or question mark, whatever you want. I have an arrow, so equals 7.92 plus 10. So if you are lost right now on your whiteboard, write X equals 7.92 plus 10. Then solve. Yes, all you are doing is adding. Let's go to one that is a little different. So, if I was to rewrite this one, write it on your whiteboard. I would put X or question mark because I have a blank, plus, because I have a plus sign next, 20, arrow is the same as equals 25 plus 15. So my whiteboard would say X plus 20 equals 25 plus 15. I'm not looking at any of these elements. Now I can solve the problem. Now I know to add these, subtract to get this one alone. You will get your answer. I'm not telling you your answer on purpose because I want you to solve, but rewrite the problem. Be careful, don't add zeros to your answer. So say your answer was 9, don't put 9.00 or it'll count it wrong. Okay, y'all got this.